Hello and what's up mga bay? Today is a new day. Hope everyone is having an amazing day. It's Coach D. And in today's vlog mga bay, kung mapapansin nyo sa title ng ating vlog for today ay Munting Negosyo. For all of you, to inform everyone, meron po kaming maliit na negosyo. And I will be featuring that today. And actually, it's the name of the business is 3C Sweet and Pastries. 3C Sweets and Pastries. Yun. Syempre, my wife is the one who is baking, who is doing the cake, who is making the cake, cookies, cassava cakes, cheesecakes, brownies, everything na mauna-unaan ninyo na dessert and sweets, pastries is available sa 3C Sweet and Pastries. So, yun. I will be featuring that today in today's vlog. And hope everyone will enjoy this video. And kung gusto nyo pong mag-order in any occasions, we are available. 3C Sweet and Pastries are available to serve you for the cakes and sweet pastries, desserts that you need. So, just visit our page. Nandiyan na po yan sa descriptions. And hopefully, mga bay, you enjoy this video. Alright.
So yun mga bay, we just came from buying the ingredients from Tamika's Bake Shop. Sa mga aspiring bakers dyan na gustong bumili ng complete ingredients for your cakes, cookies, and everything, just go to Tamika's Bake Shop and they have hindi man lahat pero they almost have everything na kailangan nyo for your baking, for baking the cakes. So here, my wife is now mixing all the ingredients for the Choco Moist cake with 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoon baking powder, 2 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 half teaspoon salt, 3/4 cups cocoa powder, 2 cups of sugar, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 cup of warm water, and 2 eggs na large, 2 large eggs. So yun po yung mixture ng ating pong Choco Moist cake. As you can see, she is now mixing the ingredients with only one direction, adding the warm water. Bali half-half lang po muna nung butter and evaporated mixture, and then another half of the warm water. So yun po. Mixing the ingredients. Ayan. So one direction lang po, the basic of how you mix the ingredients of a cake. Then add all the remaining milk and a mixture of milk and butter po. Ayan. So halo-halo lang. Ayan. Again, dun sa mga gustong bumili ng mga ingredients nila for their cakes, kung mahilig po kayo mag-bake, just go to Tamika's Bake Shop. We're very happy kasi po they have all the ingredients that we need for our business. So business to business, tulungan lang po tayo. They are providing us the ingredients that we need. So sa mga bakers dyan, sa mga mahilig mag-bake ng cake, just go to Tamika's Bake Shop. Yan. So ayan, mukhang ready na po yung Choco Moist cake mixture natin. So I think we're all ready to bake the cake. Siyempre, um, siyempre, preheat na po natin yung oven natin for 350 degrees Celsius. I-preheat na po natin yung oven natin while we are mixing all the ingredients. And then, for a single pan, ang sukat ay 8 by 3 na round pan, yung nakikita nyo po dyan. Yan, hatiin na lang po natin yung mixture ng pinaghalo-halo nating ingredients for the Choco Moist cake. So, as you can see, 2 cups muna dun sa isa, and then another 2 cups po dun sa isa naman. Para balance po yung size ng cake natin. Ayan. And then, kumbaga hating kapatid. Yan. So, another cup. So, half of that will go to the other one. So, yung sukat po ng ating pan is 8 by 3 round pan. Yan. Kung may magtatanong po about the costing, siguro maging iba-iba po kasi yung presyo kasi because of syempre apektado po lahat ng nangyayari ngayon, which is the pandemic. So hindi po namin maibibigay yung exact costing. Minsan nagbabago-bago po. But our cakes are for the 8 by 3 700 pesos only. So makikita nyo pa mamaya yung finished product ng cake na yan. Yan po ay order po ng isang customer namin. So yun mga bay, ready na yung mixture natin, and then we already preheated the oven for 350 degrees Celsius. and you just put the mixture there for 45 minutes. So yun mga bay, see you again on the next vlog for the frosting and the coating of the cakes, and of course the final product, final look and feel of our cakes. So yun mga bay, see you on the next vlog. Na wag nilalagay ni Mrs. yung cake sa oven. Maraming salamat po. See you on the next vlog mga bay.